Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about object-oriented programming language. This is an important topic which we have to discuss before stepping into the Java, because Java is also called as object-oriented programming language, right? So in this video I am going to cover topics like what is object-oriented programming language and concepts of OOPS, and which languages are comes under object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming language, here I have given a simple technical definition, guys. That is, if a programming language supports object oriented programming concepts, then that programming language is called object oriented programming language. We can understand this definition simply. And here the main thing is we have to understand the concepts of object oriented programming language. So these are the OOPS concepts, friends: class, object, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, reusability. We look into each one. Class. Simple definition for class is collection of variables and methods. And variables are also called as fields or properties. Methods of behavior. This is a simple class structure. Student is a class name. Here int, private int s number, private string s name or fields. Get details is a method. And I will discuss in detail about the class when we step into the Java. There I will give a class syntax and naming conventions to be followed to write a class, field, method names and constants. Now this is enough for us. Next is object. Object is an instance of a class. And object is also a real-time entity. It means which we can touch, feel. The best examples for object is a whiteboard and a pen, and there are many more examples for real-time object. Okay. Inheritance. As we all know, inheritance is acquiring the properties from our parents. Same definition here also, acquiring the properties from parents. We have different types of inheritance, and by using one keyword we are going to implement inheritance in our programs. All these details I'll explain in another section. Okay guys, next one is encapsulation. Encapsulation is wrapping of data into a single unit. We can explain this encapsulation by taking an example package. In package we have classes. In classes we have interfaces and methods we will have, right? These all are wrapped into a single unit called package. Next one is abstraction. Abstraction is data hiding. Everything need not to be displayed to the user, we can hide some of the data by using the concept called abstraction, and this abstraction is implemented by using the access specifiers. We have different types of access specifiers. I will discuss all these access specifiers and how we implement this abstraction in the other video. Last one is reusability. Reusability means modifying the existing code to develop a new component. The best example for this is a Windows operating system. There are many examples, but I am taking Windows operating system. Earlier we used Windows 7, Windows XP operating system. Now we are using Windows 10 and Windows 8.1. How we are getting with this Windows 10? Will they build from the scratch? No. Already Windows 7 is there, right? They'll add features to the Windows 7, and if there are any modifications has to be done, they'll done to the Windows 7, and they'll release a new version of Windows. That is nothing but Windows 10. And these are the languages comes under OOPS languages: C++, Java, Python, Smalltalk, Ruby, and there are some other languages also. I have not included here. Why these languages are called OOPS language? Why? Means these languages are making use of OOPS concepts, and especially here programs are returning classes methods, and they use object for executing the program. And we can, for one class we can create any number of objects. And here C++ is not fully object-oriented programming language, it is a partially object-oriented programming language, because in C++ we can execute a program without creating object also. That's all for now. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on bell button for more updates. And please share my video to your friends or family. If you want to give any suggestions or if you want any information regarding anything, please comment in the comment section. Then I'll make video and give you full information about it.